Flying Singapore Airlines new first-class suite, the ultimate luxury experience. Welcome to the height of luxury in the skies. Today, I'll take you inside the Singapore Airlines new first-class suite, an experience that redefines opulence and privacy at 40,000 feet. Think private cabins, gourmet dining, personal service, and amenities so indulgent you'll forget you're on a plane. Buckle up, because this is no ordinary flight. It's a flying hotel suite. Arrival at the airport. VIP treatment begins. The experience begins long before takeoff. As a first-class passenger, you're treated like royalty the moment you arrive. Forget crowded check-in counters. Singapore Airlines offers an exclusive check-in lounge for its first-class guests. No queues, no hassle, just seamless service. The staff personally assist with your baggage and guide you through the process, making you feel like a celebrity. Even security feels different. Expedited lanes ensure you glide through without a hitch. It's all about efficiency and exclusivity. And if you're flying out of Singapore's Changi Airport, the journey becomes even more spectacular. From the iconic Jewel waterfall to world-class amenities, this airport is an experience in itself. The private lounge, a world of exclusivity. Once you've checked in, it's time to unwind at the Silvercrest Lounge. But for first-class passengers, there's a hidden gem, the first-class lounge. Think plush seating, fine art, and a menu that rivals the best restaurants. I was greeted with a glass of Dom Perignon champagne, just the beginning of a culinary journey. The a la carte dining menu features dishes from across the globe, all prepared to perfection. Whether you're craving laksa or a classic filet mignon, it's available at your fingertips. And if you need to freshen up before your flight, the lounge has spa-like shower rooms stocked with designer toiletries. It's the perfect prelude to the luxurious flight ahead. Boarding, first-class priority. When it's time to board, first-class passengers enjoy priority boarding through a separate jet bridge. No waiting, no jostling. It's a straight path to your private oasis in the sky. From the moment you step on board, the crew makes you feel like the most important person on the plane. Their warmth and attention to detail are unmatched. They addressed me by name and even remembered my preferred drink from a previous flight. The suite, your private haven in the sky. Now let's talk about the star of the show, the new first-class suite. Each suite is a private cabin with sliding doors for total privacy. The design is impeccable. Sleek leather seats, rich wood finishes, and soft lighting create a space that feels more like a luxury hotel room than an airplane. The seat itself is a marvel of engineering. It's wide and fully adjustable, with memory foam cushioning that molds to your body. And when it's time to rest, it transforms into a bed. Not just any bed, but a full-sized, completely flat bed with luxurious bedding. The suite also features ample storage, a personal vanity mirror, and a massive 32-inch touchscreen monitor. You can even pair your Bluetooth headphones for an uninterrupted movie experience. Takeoff. A seamless start. As we ascend, the service truly begins. Unlike other flights where you're offered peanuts and a drink, here you're greeted with your choice of vintage champagne or a signature cocktail. The crew ensures you're settled comfortably, adjusting your suite's temperature and lighting to your preference. Dining, a culinary masterpiece. The dining experience on board is nothing short of extraordinary. Singapore Airlines partners with world-renowned chefs to bring you their Book the Cook service. Before your flight, you can select from an extensive menu featuring dishes like lobster thermidor, wagyu beef, or even vegetarian gourmet options. The presentation is impeccable and every bite feels like it's been crafted in a Michelin star kitchen. The wine list is curated by sommeliers and features rare vintages that perfectly complement your meal. And let's not forget dessert. From handcrafted pastries to indulgent chocolate mousse, every sweet tooth is catered to. It's dining at its finest, with the added bonus of breathtaking views from your window. Mid-flight, relaxation and entertainment. After dining, it's time to relax. The entertainment system, Chris World, offers thousands of movies, TV shows and music options. Whether you're a cinephile or a gamer, there's something for everyone. And if you'd rather unwind without screens, the suite is perfect for reading, journaling, or simply gazing out at the clouds. The crew is always on hand to refill your drink or bring you a warm snack whenever you like. The rest experience. Sleep like royalty. When it's time to rest, the suite shines yet again. The crew transforms your seat into a bed with soft linens and fluffy pillows. The privacy doors ensure you can drift off without any disturbances. I slept like a baby. The cabin is incredibly quiet and the bedding rivals that of luxury hotels. Waking up at 40,000 feet has never been this refreshing. Bathroom and amenities, a spa in the sky. The bathrooms in first class are more than just functional. They're luxurious. Stocked with Lalique amenities, they're spacious enough to freshen up comfortably. Some flights even feature mid-flight spa kits, including facial mists and moisturizers to keep you refreshed. It's the little details that elevate the experience. The crew, masters of hospitality. The Singapore Airlines crew are the heart and soul of this experience. Trained to anticipate your needs, they strike the perfect balance between attentiveness and discretion. They remembered every detail, from how I like my coffee to my seating preference during meals. Their warmth and professionalism make the journey truly unforgettable. Landing, the perfect farewell. As we approach our destination, the crew ensures every detail is seamless. From priority disembarkation to ensuring your bags are first off the plane, the experience ends as flawlessly as it began. I left the flight feeling pampered, refreshed, and a little sad to say goodbye. Singapore Airlines' new first-class suite isn't just a mode of transport, it's a once-in-a-lifetime experience. So, would I fly Singapore Airlines' first-class suite again? Absolutely. From the impeccable service to the jaw-dropping suite design, this is a level of luxury that's hard to match. If you ever get the chance to experience it, don't hesitate, it's worth every penny. Thanks for joining me on this incredible journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more luxurious adventures. See you in the next video.